Today I'm going to show you how to fully install the BrawlStarsBot. To start us off, we're going to install Python, search Python download, and I'm going to install the 3.11 here. You can use any version above 3.8, but I have only tested with version 3.11. Now the installer has finished downloading, we're gonna run it and select the add Python to path below and click install now. Once Python installer is finished, we're gonna close it and download Pycharm. Search Pycharm download, and we're gonna click download Pycharm, and we're not gonna download the professional edition. We're gonna scroll down and download the community edition. So just click download and it should be installing. When Pycharm installer is finished, we're gonna run it. It will take some time to load, so just be patient. And we're gonna click yes, next, and next. Now we're gonna install Git. So search Git download. Click the first link and select Windows. And you can see it says click here to download. We're gonna click that. The installer should be downloading right now. Finished downloading. Gonna run it. And I'm gonna click next for all of them. So next, 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 and just let it download. Now we're going to download Miniconda. So search out Miniconda download, select Miniconda documentation, and download the Windows version. Once you have finished installing Miniconda, we're gonna open up Pycharm. I'm gonna create new project, and I'm gonna name the project BrawlStarsBot. Select the Conda environment and below the conda executable should be blank for you guys. So we're going to open up our file explorer, go to this PC, local desk, user, and select your user. We're going to go to Miniconda tree, conda bin, and right click on conda and select as path. For Windows 10, you're going to hold Shift and Control and right click, and you should see copy as path. And we're going to copy this to conda executable, and we're going to remove the quotation marks. And I'm going to untick create a main py welcome script, and we're going to create our project. Once Pycharm is loaded, at the bottom left corner, select the 4th button, or press Alt F12 to open the terminal. Then go to the GitHub page, scroll down to how to install the bot, and copy the first command. When it's done, copy and run the second command from GitHub, which change our directory to BrawlStarsBot folder. And copy and run the third command, which installs the required libraries. Once the library is installed, if you have a Nvidia graphics card, search Pytorch. Scroll down until you see install Pytorch, and select Windows, conda package, Python, and we're going to select CUDA 11.8, and we're going to remember this for later. Copy and run the command in the terminal. When Pytorch is installed, we installed the CUDA 11.8 version. So search out CUDA 11.8 in Chrome and click CUDA Toolkit 11.8 download. Select Windows, and for me I'm on Windows 11, so I'm going to click 11. If you're on Windows 10, pick 10, and we're going to select the exe, and we're going to download the installer. When it's downloaded, open the CUDA installer. When the CUDA install is done, Close and reopen Pycharm. Open and run CUDA test.py in the BrawlStarsBot folder. It should display true and the name of your Nvidia graphics card. Then go to constant.py, scroll down and change Nvidia GPU to true. Now we're gonna install Bluestacks 5. Go to the GitHub page and scroll down to the requirement and click on the highlighted Bluestacks 5. Or you can search Bluestacks 5 download and click download Bluestacks 5. Run the Bluestacks 5 installer. Once Bluestacks 5 is installed, it should open by itself. Go to the top right corner and click on the tree line, Settings, go to Preference, and turn off Allow Bluestacks to show ads during gameplay. Go back to Home page. Select the System Apps folder and open Play Store. Sign into your Google Play account. And search and download Brawl Stars in the Play Store. Open BrawlStar when it's finished installing. and log into your Supercell account. Go to training ground. And open out Pycharm. And we're gonna remember the path the project is on. So for me, it's user, Joseph, Pycharm project, and BrawlStarsBot. Go to the top right corner and select the 5th button from the top with the keyboard icon. And click Control Editor. Go to the top right corner and select Import in the top right corner, and go to the project folder. So for me, is user, Joseph, Pycharm projects, BrawlStarsBot, and go to the BrawlStarsBot folder and control folder, and we're gonna select the scheme, and we're gonna import select all, and we're gonna select bot control scheme. I'm gonna save it and close out of the control editor, and go to the top right corner, and we're gonna close the sidebar. Click edit control in BrawlStars, and we're gonna select the lock movement control located at the top. Move and resize the joystick as shown. So we're gonna put all joystick in the smallest size. Exit the training ground and run detection tests to see if everything is working. A window should pop up here. Go to friendly battle and play. As you can see, everything's working fine. And it's detecting the bush, the player. You can exit friendly battle, and to exit the detection test, select the detection test window and press Q on the keyboard. Go to constant.py. Scroll down and change the brawler name to your selected brawler. So right here I'm using Frank, so I'm gonna type in Frank, and I'm gonna run constant.py. And it says using Frank's stat, which is correct. And now I'm gonna choose Surge, so here I'm gonna put my brawler name is Surge. I'm gonna rerun the constant.py, and it says Surge stat is not found, and please manually modify speed, attack range, high skill factor in constant.py. Scroll down below and you can see speed, attack range, and high skill factor. So for speed and attack range, you're gonna click on the link above, go to the website. So right here, I'm using Surge, so I'm gonna select Surge, and its movement speed is 2.17 tiles. So I'm gonna change that to 2.17, and his attack range is 6.67 tiles. So I'm gonna change that to 6.67. And for the high scale factor, you're gonna go to hsffinder.py and you're gonna run it. And there should be a new window that will be open up. And so read the instruction. It says to open Brawlstars and Bluestacks and go to a training ground. So I'm going to training ground. It says take a screenshot proceeding, and you can use scroll wheel to zoom in image. You have to draw a line from the middle of your name tag to the bottom middle circle. So right here I'm going to use scroll wheel to zoom in a bit more, and I'm going to click in the middle of the circle here. So you can see that green circle there. I'm going to right click on the middle, then I'm going to right click on the middle of the name tag there. So you can see there's a red line, and you can calculate the HSF, and you can see for Surge the high scale factor is 0.141. And close the HSF finder and change the high scale factor to 0.141. Now we are ready to run the bot. So go to main.py and run it. It says search status not found, but we already manually modified it. And gonna read the instruction. Make sure you have browser open and you have selected solo showdown game mode. And already changed the speed, attack range. And to exit the bot, you can hover to the top left or the bottom right corner. Right here I'm going to start the bot by pressing 1 and enter, and the bot is going to move the mouse to play for me. As you can see, the bot is moving now. And now to exit the bot, we're going to hover our mouse to the bottom right corner, and that's how you exit, and that's it.